Hello friends, so welcome. In this video I'm going to create controllers and also add links here to go to the menu, category, table and reservation. So let's go to the terminal and make controllers first. So artisan make and why is not artisan make controller and I'm going to say admin slash menu controller and dash R for resource. And why we don't have that? So we need to say, sorry, because I just created the alias for PHP artisan and I forgot to run the source. So artisan make controller admin menu controller dash R for resource. Okay, let's create another one for the category. Okay, another one for the table and the last one for the reservation. Okay, let's clear this up. Let's open the roads now in the VS Code. Open the web roads. And I'm going to remove this thing here. We are in the admin. Let's create one road for the category. So road resource. And we need to add a dash for categories. And the controller is category controller. Class, okay. Next one. Road resource. And here we need the menus. And let's say menu controller class, sorry. Okay, another one for road resource. Let's add the table here, tables, and add the table controller. Okay, and the last one, which is reservation. So road resource reservation and add the reservation controller. Okay, let's save this and we need to open the admin layout. So admin blade, let's remove this first link here. This link is this one. So I'm remove that, and let's work here. So the first one is going to be the categories, and here we need to add the road, which is going to be admin categories index. Okay. Second one is going to be menu and add the road for the menu. So road admin menus index. Next one is the table, and add the road admin tables index. And the last one is for reservation. And then let's add the road here for admin reservation index. Let's save this. And we need to open one by one the controllers. So let's open first the category controller. And in the index method, we need to return. Let's return the view. We don't have that, but we are going to create admin dot categories dot index. Okay. Let's save this and open also the menu controller and do the same thing in the index. Return the view admin dot menus let's save. Open also the table controller and the same thing down there. So return the view admin dot tables dot index, and the last one is the reservation. Okay, and let's say return the view admin index, but we need to add also the reservation, and let's save this. Now open the files, and in the admin I'm going to create one folder for the categories. So categories, okay, and one file which is going to be index.blade.php inside it. Okay, and I'm going to copy what we have here. So select all, copy and paste in this one. Just here I'm going to say categories. Let's save this. And I'm going to copy this one now and paste it here. Just change the name. And the name for this is going to be menus. Paste again and rename to be tables. And one more for reservation. So first paste and rename it to reservation. I did that reservations. I did this because for saving some time, not go and create for everyone the folder and the file. So let's go in the menu index and say menu here, save, close, reservation, say reservation. Let's save, close this one, and also in the tables table. Let's save, close, go and test now, refresh. We have categories. Yeah, we have categories here, menu here, table, and a reservation index. Where is the problem? The problem is in the controller. So let's go to the reservation controller and say reservations. Let's save it, refresh, and go to the reservation, and now we are in the reservation. And one more thing, I want to add some style here there, because right now I think we have the same with the body. So let's go to the admin layout, admin blade. Here is the navigation. And we have BG white here, but I'm going to change it, not BG white, but say BG slate 100. Let's save this, come here and refresh, and we need to run also the npm run watch, the watch for the our CSS. Okay, let's come here and refresh, and yeah, now we have a different color here. Okay friends, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. All the best.